uploading this video after a very long time. But here, as you can see behind me, we have settled Ganpati Bappa at our house. And also Satyanarayana Puja. Which was done today. And we have Gauri. We keep all these sweets for her. And now, let us begin with our recipe with the name of Ganpati Bappa. Ganpati Bappa Moria. We are gonna make non-fire coconut modak, that too with just 2 ingredients. Here are the ingredients for it. Some condensed milk, some saffron for garnishing, some oil, 1 modak mold, and 100 grams of dry coconut powder. I will add some condensed milk. Make sure you don't add too much. Now I will mix it to make a dough out of it. I will add some more because I think this is really less. And now I will make a dough out of it. Here I have used half a bowl of condensed milk. If it is too much for you, you can add some more coconut shavings. Like this, your dough should be ready. Now you can see the consistency, it's like perfect. It should be just like this.
Now we will take the mold, open it up, and now we will brush it with some oil. We will apply a very little amount of oil because we don't want our modaks to be oily. Now we will close the mold and start filling the dough into it. Make sure to put it at the bottom of it so that we get a perfect shape of the modak. Just like this. After putting the dough into the mold, now we'll open it. Let's see if the modak is ready or not. Here we go. Our modak is perfectly ready, as you can see. Now I'll make the rest and show you.
So here, as you can see, our modaks are ready and I have garnished it with saffron. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let us end this recipe with the name of Ganpati Bappa. Ganpati Bappa Moria.